For a scenic getaway, beautiful Gatlinburg, Tennessee was the perfect spot. The Greystone Lodge on the river would serve as our home base for the next few days. After a 9-hour road trip, we needed to stretch our legs and hit the main strip.
That was a video. You're supposed to be in it.
The need to feed was overwhelming. With haste, we made it to the Five Oaks Farm Kitchen in Sevierville, where they served us well. The next morning, our search for adventure began with the super friendly service of Bare Minimum Ticket Outlet in Sevierville. Our next stop was the Funnel Cake Factory, where we dined on peach a la mode drizzled with caramel. Best funnel cake on the planet. We spent the majority of our day at the island in Pigeon Forge, one of Tennessee's top attractions, filled with shops, entertainment, restaurants, and dinosaurs. Lots of dinosaurs. Timberwood Grill was perfect for a quick burger and fries split between the two of us. SkyFly Soar America is an immersive flying theater ride system. Guests hang suspended in front of a 50-foot spherical screen.
With aerial view.
Remember, left is the right, down is the new up. Here we go! Some more snow. All right, adventurers, here we go!
Special effects including wind, mist, and scents combined with the ride's motion adds to the sensation of actual flight over some of our nation's greatest landmarks. Emery's 5 and 10, the oldest 5 and dime in the South, was loaded with nostalgia from floor to ceiling. Here you might find some of the very same items that made up your grandparents' childhood. From game shows to amusement park rides, the island in Pigeon Forge is a family-friendly must-for-all, and parking is free. Pirates Voyage Dinner Show was the perfect close to a day of adventure. This belly-bloating, swashbuckling 4-course feast consisted of soup, ham, fried chicken, biscuit, mac and cheese, corn on the cob, bottomless beverages, and an apple turnover for dessert. And the show? Outstanding. It had song, dance, acrobatics, mermaids even. Well, just see for yourself. What'd I tell you? And that was just a taste. Breaking bread the next morning was made easy at the Old Mill and Restaurant. And you'll find no better server than Savannah, who had become family by the time we swallowed our last bite. And what a tasty bite it was. The Old Mill General Store came highly recommended by Savannah, of course, who suggested we drop in and grab our favorite jam served at breakfast. We did just that and picked up some extra for gifts. Now, with the shopping out of the way, we were itching for a little action. And we found it at Rocky Top Mountain Coaster, one of many mountain coasters in the area, and a stone's throw away from Dollywood. Rocky Top advertises over 9 minutes of ride time over 20 acres of property. It's a very scenic and at times leisurely ride experience, especially during the 4 uphill climbs.
Yes.
The signage and themed sections along the course add an extra layer of entertainment to the thrill.
All right.
Now, if you're like me, you're riding that bad boy as fast as it'll let you go. No handbrakes allowed. Each single sled can reach speeds up to 30 miles per hour. I'll let you in on a little secret. The coaster brakes automatically should you find yourself coming in a little too hot on the curbs. Ask me how I know. Our next stop was SkyLand Ranch in Sevierville. The staff was super friendly and the view spectacular. The petting zoo was a nice distraction as we waited for the thumbs up on the mountain coaster. However, Mother Nature had other plans. Once the rain settled to a barely there drizzle, we closed out the evening at Cherokee Grill and Steakhouse in Gatlinburg. I love the Mountain Lodge ambience. It's both elegant and rustic, refined yet comfortable, perfect for a special occasion or casual dining experience. We couldn't have asked for a more beautiful morning to visit Anakeesta, Gatlinburg's mountaintop adventure park.
Alrighty.
You're doing it. I'm doing it, honey.
You're doing it, honey.
This is great. Until we get up there. Then it's not so great.
The Smokies were smoking. The sights were breathtaking, at times even majestic. There are no bad spots to take a photo. Anakeesta Tower will give you some of the most dramatic views, including some through a section of glass floor. Decked out in fall splendor, we were surrounded by the spectacular and the whimsical. Though a leisurely stay would have been quite acceptable, adventure, of course, was the goal.
You got it, hon. You got this. No, your muscles are going to be sore, but you got this.
It was time to play and pretend to forget just how far removed we are from spring chickens. And here we are, creating Ben Gay moment number 17.
You got it, sweetie. You got it.
So, did you enjoy yourself, Kevin?
I loved it. It was absolutely fantastic, and I'd do it again in a heartbeat.
The adventure did not stop at Anakeesta. A SkyLand ranch rain check would allow us one more chance to conquer the wild stallion.
Man, you didn't have anything to do with you, honey.
That's not it. The seats on a Wild Stallion mountain coaster were much more comfortable than those on a Rocky Top coaster.
This is definitely more comfortable.
By now you know the drill. Go as fast as you can, no brakes.
Oh, yes. Something else. Wow. Now, come in for a close. Oh, that's incredible.
The Wild Stallion did not disappoint. Easily one of my all-time favorite mountain coasters, and a great way to end the day of adventure and a stay in beautiful Gatlinburg in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. Don't forget to click the like button and be sure to subscribe to Dove Life.